Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term DSL. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, DSL is a high speed internet connection over phone lines using digital signals. People use it when they want faster internet for streaming, gaming, or browsing. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. DSL first showed up in the late 1980s as a new way to deliver faster internet through existing phone lines. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among internet users and tech enthusiasts. Now let's check out how to use DSL in a sentence. Correct example 1. I upgraded my internet to DSL for faster streaming and downloads. Correct example 2. I can't believe how much faster this DSL connection is compared to dial-up. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said DSL at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using DSL right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. DSL means a high-speed internet connection over phone lines using digital signals. It started in the late 1980s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with DSL in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.